Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Thursday, December 1, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 23, 2022, our system ranks Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.111. In this period the stock has had a gain of 4.3%. This is an average return of 0.72% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, Stronger technical forecast for Nvidia stock price after Thursday trading. The Nvidia stock price gained 3.32% on the last trading day, Thursday, December 1, 2022, rising from $166.64 to $172.17. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 3.79% from a day low at $166.35 to a day high of $172.65. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 8.11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 923,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.76 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $324.78, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 46.99%, or $152.61, below 52-week high, and 50.31%, or $174.30, below all-time high November 22, 2021 where the price hit $346.47. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $175.76 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 23.47% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -6.74% and 26.05%. The 12-month trend indicates a -49.84% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -73.85% and -49.84%. This equals a price between $45.03 and $86.35 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Needham set price target to 200. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Raymond James set price target to 190. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Susquehanna set price target to 185. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 175. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Wedbush set price target to 175. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $162.82 and $143.24. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 53.36%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 34 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $136.47 and $132.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $136.47. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.61 and $131.76. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $6.30 between high and low, or 3.79%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.81%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $136.47, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 21, 2022, Huang Gen HSUN made an inside sell of 229,603 of employee stock option, right to buy. On November 21, 2022, Huang Gen HSUN made an inside buy of 229,603 of common stock. On November 21, 2022, Dabri John made an inside sell of 495 of common. On November 18, 2022, Hudson Dawn E made an inside sell of 9,300 of common stock. On October 13, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 87,500 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.706. In total, the insiders bought 2,847,382 and sold 4,323,866 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $165.70. minus 3.76%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 33 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 2nd, we expect Nvidia to open down -$1.78 and start trading at $170.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to